Welcome to Positive Mind Dynamics, the conscious next step towards a better life. How are you going to make today different from every other day? Do you let the day take control of you, or do you take control of your day? Make each day a new opportunity to start afresh. Accept the gift of a new beginning. Make the choice to be happy and follow your dream today. Seize the day. Make it yours. Each morning when I open my eyes, I say to myself, I, not events, have the power to make me happy or unhappy today. I can choose which it shall be. Yesterday is dead. Tomorrow hasn't arrived yet. I have just one day today, and I'm going to be happy in it. Subscribe, like, share. Positive Mind Dynamics.